Combining several PDFs into one organized file is simple with Foxit PDF Editor. I've got an invoice approval, an agreement, proposals, and a compliance brief in separate files, and I need one comprehensive document correctly ordered. I'll start by opening Combine Files, where I can assemble and review the whole package in one place. I can add several PDFs at once, or bring in an entire folder where the files are already grouped. I can switch between thumbnail and list views to inspect both the source files and their individual pages. I can add more files or folders at any time and remove anything I don't want. Choose Pages also lets me include an exact page range from any source PDF. I can set the order by dragging files directly or use Move Up and Move Down for precise adjustments. Before combining, I'll confirm all 6 files, all 20 pages, and the intended sequence. With the structure confirmed, I'll click Combine to build the single PDF. The merged document keeps its structure intact, so I can verify bookmarks, links, and page quality. Finally, I'll save the completed file as one clean, correctly ordered record. Now the entire package is easier to review, share, and archive without copying pages one at a time. Combining files comes in handy in all sorts of cases. Finance teams can bundle weekly invoices. Legal teams can assemble authoritative contract records, and project managers can consolidate cross-functional deliverables. Start a free trial of Foxit PDF Editor and try Combine Files. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.